welcome to another vlog. My name is Claudia Works. For those who are new here, and thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my content. I love you all guys. And if you are watching my videos without subscribing, guys, take a minute, subscribe to my YouTube channel, road 5,000 subscribers. And guys, remember, I'm in the streets of Eastleigh. I'm in the uptown of Eastleigh. Guys, I know you have not heard of uptown streets of Eastleigh, but basically I'm in California. I don't know why this place is called California. So guys, let's get into the street and get to know why this place is known as California. Hey,
Dr. B.
Dr. B.
My name is Dr. B.
Yeah. Oh, this is Claudia Works.
Yeah?
Tell them to subscribe.
Oh, subscribe at my YouTube channel. I'm a rap star.
Yeah, can you rap for us?
Yeah. I need this one to get to Ruto.
Yeah.
Taxi mepanda. Senke mbanga alitoa tu kiale. Kida ya tindani ni chwani na hapa ni tano. Sina madoo, piga masimu. Kopa madeni, senke itoke, bana ndo jembe. Ndo wife na mtoiwa wapate kusosi. Ni must nizidi kukopa madeni, senke itoke, bana ndo jembe. Yeah.
So bro, hii place nasikia inaitwa California. Okay, I'm trying to ask him, this place is known as California. Why is it called California? Yeah.
Okay, maybe it's because of artists. There was artists a long time ago.
Them like
Major.
Oh, like Major.
Yeah.
Who else? Yeah, I know Major.
Like Juakali.
Yeah,
they were all from here. That's why maybe it was called California.
Maybe that's why it was called California. And remember, this California is located in Eastleigh, not the California we know from United States. Anything else? You know why is it called California?
Because of the pilau, they got some good pilau around here, you know.
Yo.
Yeah, food. Yeah, maybe it's not because of pilau, you know.
I'm trying to. There are some people who are trying to interrupt me.
They're looking at you.
Yeah, they are looking at me and they are so beautiful. They are Somali ladies and they don't want to attend my camera. So guys, let's keep on walking as we interact with people and know why this place is called California.
Is it really live?
Yeah, we are on YouTube. I'm
Alive.
Claudia Works. Yes. Angalia kwa Claudia Works jioni saa 3:30.
Sawa,
Yeah,
lazima nitaangalia.
Sawa. I'm trying to see if I can get another person who can explain to us why this place is known as California. Stay here, don't go anywhere. Hello? Okay. Let's keep on walking, guys. Hi, bro. Hello. How are you? I'm Claudia Works. I was just walking in the street and I want to know why is this place known as California? Yeah? I can't hear you. Okay, guys, he doesn't know why this place is called California. Hey. Hello.
Hi.
Why is this place known as California?
That one I don't know. But one thing I know is when I was playing,
Oh, it's just the Arab people.
the Arab culture so much there.
Yeah. Good hotels, yeah.
And I'll tell you, I go there called Baba. Go to Baba to California. Yeah, their food is so nice. Yeah.
Their food is so nice. What else?
Bambe iko hapo ya kitambo. Yeah, alafu iko wakati
Wow. Major Juakali. Those are Kenyan artists.
Juakali.
Name them.
Yes.
Wow.
Records ilikuwa hapo. Unaona ndio iko California records.
Yeah, California records.
Wale ya hapo. No nini?
Wow.
Wale wasanii wa kitambo
The most famous artists from Kenya.
Wale walikuwa wameshikilia muziki ya Kenya. Ngoma ikikoma.
Yeah.
Hiyo ndio ilikuwa the hub sasa.
The hub,
Hiyo na sauti.
I never knew this place. Most of the artists came from this far. Okay, I can see this is the uptown of Eastleigh. So guys, let's keep on walking as we interact with people and get to know why this place is known as California. So bro, thank you so much. Claudia Walks. Oh, there are other guys who are calling me there. Hey. Oh bro, vipi?
Ni pesa ama ni bure tu?
Yeah?
Unandoa ama ni bure?
Ni for fun.
Just for fun.
Just for fun. Yeah, just for fun. Why is this place known as California? Yeah? Oh, sawa. Ni aina shida. Let me come on that. Let me come on that. Si utawaambia tu kwa nini inaitwa California. Just that. Oh, stop being shy, bro. Sawa. Kwa nini inaitwa California?
Ni California. Si California.
Ni California. Mbona ikaitwa California?
Kalipata tu inaitwa tu.
Ndio
wakajipata.
Oh, because it's the middle of it's located in the middle of Eastleigh. So guys, I think we should keep on walking on this route. So this street is known as California. I don't know whether you can see it very well. So let's keep on walking as we get to know. Hi. Guys, the street is not that busy. The street is not that busy, but let's keep on walking. People are looking at me. Guys, I say I'm mad, but I'm talking to you. Guys, I'm alone here and I don't know whether this street is safe. But I think California is a famous street. It should be safe, eh? Let's get to the street vibes as we enjoy the street. Guys, I'm trying to see if I can get someone who can tell us. I don't know who I'm going to engage with this. Remember, we are in Eastleigh, guys, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. This is the California now. You can see the beautiful apartments. Let me record from here. You can see how the streets are so beautiful. Beautiful apartments, guys. People are so busy, guys. You can see. Beautiful apartment. So there's a guy I want to engage somewhere there. Oh, sorry. Just a customer. He's trying to call me. Let me go and wait for him. He is there. So let me wait for him. Yeah, one-on-one. So hi. Hi. Just relax. Hi. Si kwanza utulia kwanza. Hi. Why is this place known as California? Mbona inaitwa California? Guys, I'm trying to ask him why is this place known as California.
sijui kwa nini wanaita, lakini inakaa sehemu ya machali.
Wow. So guys, I think it was named like long time ago. Ulipata ikiitwa hivyo? Oh, the guy found it I don't know. Mwenyeji? Who si mwenyeji? Oh, they are trying to advise me to find someone who knows this place better. Inaitwa? Inaitwa Balkubwa.
Sasa lakini ni California, lakini street inaitwa Balkubwa.
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 Hiyo inamaanisha nini sasa?
Utana kwa ni
Balkubwa. Okay, I'm Claudia Works on YouTube. Sawa? Haya, sawa. Pia unaweza tuambia mbona inaitwa hivyo?
Ndio ndio jina ambalo ameamua kuniweka. Kila pale ni Waudo Street, hapa ni Balkubwa. Pale ni Marindi Street. Yani na kila mahali.
Mwakicombine zote wanaziita California. Oh. Haya, sawa. You can check me out on YouTube, Claudia Works, bro. Najita Claudia Works. Yes. Atuonyesha mtu mwenye ananiambia bwana inaitwa California.
Hapa. Nataka kuona mtu ambaye anajua anaenda California.
Yeah. Claudia Works.
Labda
MCA jina kubandika kama MCA Ring.
MCA kabisa Ring ambaye alikuwa anatoka. Huko kwenye hii dry clean inatoka Taiba dry clean.
Sawa. Hi mommy, come. Come here. Oh, come here. Guys, these street people are so shy, guys. Oh, let's keep on walking.
Mbona hata sioni?
Hautaona wewe. Hivi.
Hi mommy. Yeah. Tuongeleshe Kisomali pale. Waambie wa subscribe. Waambie huku kunaitwaje?
Subscribe your channel, wa comment na wa like.
Na comment.
Umesubscribe? Haya, sawa.
Na wa comment.
Guys, it seems that most of the people don't know why this place is called California. Oh, I don't know whether I should go to that side. I don't know whether I should go to this side.
Are you recording us?
Yeah, I'm recording you. Sorry. I'm not recording them, but guys, I just want to get their attention, man. People are just from church. So guys, I'm just lost. I was heading to that route, but I can't go beyond there because of the security purposes. And I've never been to this trip, so guys, I think I should end my video here. I hope you have enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe. Watch till the end. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine, eh? I'm Claudia.
Yeah.
Just excuse yourself there.
Yeah, I want to pass.
You want to pass, eh?
Yeah.
Why is this place known as California?
It's California. California church. Which church is?
Yeah, this church is.
Yeah.
California what?
It's called what? Come tell them. Come tell them. Yes, they have to excuse themselves because of traffic around there. I think you have seen. Yeah. Bye. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you have enjoyed. And if you are watching for the first time, make sure you subscribe, give a like, comment down below, share with your friends. So guys, sana. Ati unasema nini? Unasema nini? So guys, I think I should end my video here. Subscribe to road to 5,000 subscribers. See you in the next video. Bye.